Hey y'all, it's Nicole with Living Well Realty, and I am in Green Meadows in Celina today to check on the Stonehollow build that's behind me. So they have hung drywall and they have started to texture the walls. Very exciting. So without further ado, let's flip this around and go take a look. Hey guys, look how pretty the exterior is. Awesome. Okay, so this is the basalt plan. I think I'm saying that right. It's basalt or basalt. But this has a full 3-car garage, guys. Really like this. This is a 65-foot lot, so that's why there's space to be able to put them side by side. A lot of times when you see them in tandem form, it's because the lot's not wide enough. So really great. I do want to point out that the main electrical panel is always in the garage here in Texas. Always. I'd say 99% of the time, unless somebody else, like a super custom build, they decide to put it somewhere else. But that's where your breaker panel. So your high voltage, all of your electrical is right there. So I'm gonna back up and we're gonna go through the front door. This home has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and a game room, media room, and office. Oh my gosh, they put the floors in. I didn't know that. Ah, look, that's so pretty. That is a nice surprise. Very cool. Oh my gosh, it's actually coming together. Okay, so right here is the study. Double doors. Nice, it's just huge. This is a very large study. And then you have a half bath here. And then you'll have a little linen closet in the bathroom. And here's a coat closet. Off to the left, here's where you come in from the garage. So mud bench area here. And then this is the dedicated laundry room. So of course your washer and dryer will go on that wall. And then coming further in, they have made some great use of the space and added a closet here under the stairs. And then the heart of the home here, we've got the kitchen, eat-in kitchen area, and the living room. So it looks so good. Oh my goodness. All right, so obviously the island is here. This will be, this is knee space. That's why it's kind of like inset like that. You'll be able to put stools under there. The countertop will cover it. And then you'll have your refrigerator and countertops, cabinets here. Your stove, your slide-in range is gonna go where that circle is in the wall. That's your vent hood piping, so there you go. And then you have a corner pantry. This is a really good sized pantry. And then the eat-in area, this is ample space. Like, this is huge. You could fit a very large table here. So they kind of make up for the fact that there's not a formal dining, which not a lot of people even use anymore, so. But at least it's not a small space. So there you go, and you have a nice, gorgeous 2-story living room. I'm in love with these floors. This is so cool. And then your stairwell. So it'll be partially open. Back here, is the master bedroom. So you only have 1 bedroom on this first floor. Beautiful bayed out window, seating area. And then your master bath. So soaker tub and shower. And then his and hers vanities. So on the shower, a lot of times they put just a mud pan in, but this is an upgrade. So it's a recessed shower pan, which means they're actually gonna tile it, which is a way nicer way to go. If you have the funds to be able to do that, I highly recommend it. It's worth it. Here is the water closet. And then this bathroom has 2 closets in it, really nice. This is the smaller of the 2. And then here's the other one, which is in between both of the vanities. So yeah, really great closet space. I love that they're separated. Okay, and then upstairs we have all of these secondary bedrooms, plus your game room and media room. This is so exciting. Ooh, while I'm doing this. So I just showed a home that just had sheetrock done without the texture. And this is what I was talking about in that video, if you happen to watch it. This is called knockdown or orange peel. So they do this on top of the sheetrock here in Texas, and I think in some other southern states, because our sheetrock is different than what they use in the rest of the country. I guess it's a little thicker elsewhere, or so I've been told, so they don't need to put this texture on the walls. So we've got a game room here. Here's your media room, or flex room. You can use this as whatever. Really good size room. And then you'll have a little closet here. And here is one of 3 secondary bedrooms. Here's a full bath. That's 1 sink with a shower and tub combo. Secondary bedroom. Nice closet. And then that is attic access. If you ever need your HVAC worked on, they will be able to access the ductwork there. And then across here we have the other 2 bedrooms. And this is just a cool little fun space because you could, this is like a reading nook, or maybe you could set up a desk here for kiddos to do homework, and then more closet storage. This looks down, this will be a railing here, so it will look down into the foyer. Continuing on, we've got a full bath here. This is going to be shared between these 2 bedrooms. And these rooms are very nice size. This is really good space. And then the closet, it's just like the other one we saw. And the final bedroom, I think these are identical in size. But this one has a walk-in closet, big walk-in closet. And then again, attic space, attic access. So, yeah. So I know I get a question a lot too about whether people from other parts of the country, back to this texture topic, they want to know if they can just do a smooth texture on the walls. That is really difficult to do. You will not typically see it unless you're in a very high-end custom home. The reason for that, it's very labor intensive and it's extremely expensive. So this is pretty much what you get, which, I don't even notice it. I've lived here almost all my life. So this is normal. Okay. And finally, your back patio. This is like the actual size of the patio that comes with the plan. So this is nice. It's a good size. You got room for a grill out here, maybe a couple chairs. And then nice size backyard too. Big enough for a pool, play set, trampoline. Yeah, this looks really good. And for now, that is the view until they decide to put another phase or whatever, but that's going to be a few years away. Okay guys, that wraps up the tour this week. We have made so much progress. We are getting into my most favorite part of the construction process, which is the design elements. So in the coming weeks, we will see cabinets, tile, the baseboards, all of that stuff is going in, paint. So exciting. I cannot wait. So you know how to get a hold of me if you need me. For those of you tuning in for the first time, I'm Nicole Roan. I work with Living Well Realty, and I would love to help you with your new construction home in Collin County. So if you're looking to build, please give me a call, text, email, or you can schedule a Zoom appointment via the link below. I look forward to hearing from you guys. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye.